Rio Rancho cannot withhold certain records when the general public wants to find out the status of something horrific that happened to a child in New Mexico.
A 2-year-old shot inside his home, and for months the city refusing to release information about his death. The boy who died, the son of a Rio Rancho police officer.
And Target 7 has learned the city is now preparing to release those documents. Angel Salcido found that decision comes after the Attorney General said he was going to sue the city of Vision for not being transparent.
Just before Christmas, 2-year-old Lincoln Harmon was shot to death inside of this Rio Rancho home. He was the son of a Santa Fe police officer and the nephew of another, and this is what first responders were told happened.
One for a check for a 2-year-old male. Looks like he fell off a chair, not awake, unknown breathing status.
Court records obtained by Target 7 would later reveal the child died from a gunshot. Rio Rancho hasn't shared much information about how a 2-year-old son of a police officer ended up shot to death, and they denied interview requests. So Target 7 used the Inspection of Public Records law to ask for body camera video, reports, and 911 calls.
Anytime a child dies in New Mexico, it's of grave public concern. In this case, it's particularly important that the public be able to understand what happened, since this is the son of a Santa Fe police officer.
Most of our open records requests were denied, and what was turned over was heavily redacted.
The responses have been emotional rather than lawyerly, in my view. The responses from the city attorney in Rio Rancho did not address any of the legal arguments.
KOAT filed this complaint with the Attorney General Hector Balderas. His office found the city of Rio Rancho was in violation of the law and should release the documents, and if they didn't, he would sue.
We advised them that they were violating the law, and so at this point, if they don't produce in a reasonable manner, they could expose taxpayers to a lawsuit.
Late today, the city of Rio Rancho told us they would release records we requested.
Because they probably realize they're going to lose in a court battle, and it could be a long and expensive battle.
The city spokesperson did say she believes the Public Records Act conflicts with the state's children's code, which calls for confidentiality for abused children, and the legislature needs to fix it. Target 7 did obtain this email that was sent the day the child was killed. It says that the boy got a hold of a gun and shot himself in the head. No charges have been filed in the case. The prosecutor for Sandoval County says she can't take the case because of a conflict of interest, so she's asked the state attorney general to step in.
We are going to move forward on both enforcing the rule of law in the civil arena, and we're also going to help law enforcement and the district attorney's office really seek justice in what was a very dark and unfortunate tragedy.
For Target 7, Angel Salcido, KOAT, Action 7 News.
And according to online payroll records, Santa Fe police officer Jonathan Harmon is still working for the department. We reached out to the department about his current position, and we have yet to hear back.